Okay guys, we're going to jump right into it. I'm starting off with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Fawn. And I'm going to put this all over my lid, and I'm going to use my Real Techniques Beauty Sponge to blend it out. I'm going to start off by using my Saharan 2 palette by Juvias Place, and I'm going to go in that dark orange color, and I'm just going to add that to my crease. This is kind of going to be my transition color. What I'm going to do is blend that back and forth. Like I always say, I actually place my shadows where I want them to go, and then I take a clean, sometimes I take the same brush and I go back and I clean out the harsh edges. Okay, now I'm taking a clean, fluffy brush and I'm just blending out those harsh edges like I said before. And we're just going to go back and forth until it's blended seamlessly. Next, I'm going to go into this dark brown shade and I'm going to place it up under the orange shade that I placed, and I think I'm going to go with a halo eye look. Well, I don't think, I know, since I pre-recorded it and I'm doing a voiceover. So yeah, I'm doing a halo eye. So I'm going to blend that dark brown out, but not completely, if you know what I mean. I still want it to be kind of pigmented, so I'm going to blend it out, and then I'm just going to keep placing it until it's very pigmented. Also, you guys, I'm gonna be going back and forth between that orange shade and that brown shade just to make sure that it's blended seamlessly and to get rid of that harsh line, and so I don't lose my orange shadow. So we're just gonna be blending for right now. Blend, blend, blend. And when you are doing a halo eye, for the outer corners, you want to make sure that it's really pigmented. So after you do all your blending, go back into the outer corner and the inner corner and place that same shadow right on top. And then, as you can see, we're going to go ahead and cut our crease. I did not post the product that I used to cut my crease. To cut my crease, I used the Urban Decay primer potion in the color Eden. So I just did a halo eye cut crease, and I blend out the edges with my finger because it's just easier that way. And then I'm going to go back into that dark brown shadow, and again I'm going to place it right on top to make that color pop, to really give it some dimension. And now you see me, I'm just doing the other eye, doing the same process, just doing it on the other eye. Stroke it for me, stroke it, baby, stroke it, baby, work it, baby, there is something I want you to So after I place that shimmer shade in the middle of my eyelid where I cut my crease, I'm going to go back in that brown and that burgundy, and I'm going to blend it out. Just blend the edges out so it looks like it's a fading effect. Next, I'm going to use my eyeliner from the hair store. I don't remember what brand it is, but it works. And I did not want to do a winged look for a wing liner for this look, for the simple fact it would just take away from the look. So I just did a simple black line on my lash line just to blend my lashes in with my natural lashes. So I'm just applying the same shadows, the same colors, the orange, the brown, up under on my waterline. And then I'm going to apply black eyeliner, black mascara, and I'm going to apply my lashes. And my lashes are mink lashes from prettyhustlerhair.com in the style PYT. Be sure to go and check them out. Don't you hate when that happens? When that edge control, you put the edge control on and it turns white? Like, I didn't pay $15 for this shit to turn white. Like, come on, bruh. This popping ass highlight that I'm using today is from the Crayon Case, and it is in the color Anglola. It's like a gold shimmer, and it is popping. And that is all for you dolls. This is going to be my halo eye look that I created with my Juvias Place palette. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment on this video. And again, thank you for watching.